Come on.
Despacio.
Good job, baby.
Boy, what's up?
Are you walking in? Whose shoes do you have on?
What are you doing?
Whose shoes are those?
Homework. Well, good job.
Jeez.
That sounds good.
What do you got on? Whose shoes? Whose are those? Whose are those shoes? Are those daddy's shoes? Daddy's shoes?
Yeah.
Are those daddy's shoes, Pumpkin? Are you jumping? Dance, dance. Woohoo! Wow. Come on. You're so silly. She does a good job, look.
What are you going to have for dinner?